How to use ChartIQ app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The ChartIQ app is a powerful charting platform used by traders worldwide to analyze stocks, crypto, and forex. But most beginners barely scratch the surface, or worse, misuse its tools and misread the data. The first mistake is relying only on default chart settings. ChartIQ offers dozens of technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, but you need to customize your layout to match your strategy. A cluttered or poorly tuned chart can lead to false signals. Next, users forget to switch timeframes. A setup that looks great on a 5-minute chart can look completely different on a daily chart. Checking multiple timeframes gives you context and filters out noise. Another mistake is ignoring drawing tools. ChartIQ's trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support zones aren't just for experts. They're how you visualize where buyers and sellers might step in. Pro tip: use ChartIQ's replay mode to backtest visually. Watching how patterns evolve in real time is one of the fastest ways to sharpen your technical skills. And here's the surprising truth: mastering ChartIQ isn't about memorizing indicators. It's about learning to read the story behind the price action. Used properly, ChartIQ becomes your window into market psychology, helping you trade smarter, react faster, and understand price movement like a pro.